Hello, my name is Elisa Howansky. I am going to be showing you some bird specimens that Dr. Langlois sent us. To start off the video, one of the more interesting things I've learned since working with these specimens is just how easy it is to tell some of these feather groups apart, obviously before not knowing the broad strokes of feather identification. It just kind of all looked like feathers, and I mean, you could tell that some were like smaller and bigger than others, but like looking at them now on these specimens, especially the starling, you can tell pretty easily where a group of feathers starts and where a group of feathers ends, which I guess is the point. But anyways, I'm gonna get started on the starling. All right, on to the starling. Here is where the upper tail coverts are. Some of them are not as in good shape as others, but you can see them here along with the rectrices, which is here, these feathers. You can see on this wing, you can see the marginal coverts, the middle secondary coverts. Here you can see the alula, or at least what I assume is the alula. Obviously it doesn't have a bone attached to it, so that's about as close as I can get. You can see the primary coverts as well as the secondary coverts, and we are going to count these primaries and secondaries. So primaries start here, and we will count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are them. Then we'll go on to the secondaries, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, I believe. I don't know if this is where the tertiaries begin, but that is what I was just assuming is where the tertiaries begin. But obviously these are covered by the coverts, so here. This is the nape area and where the scapulars were, right here. And this is where the head was. So these are the broad feather groups. You can see the coverts a little better on the dove, so marginal. Then we have the primary coverts as well as the secondary coverts. And then these are the secondaries down here, and these are the primaries over here. So the way that I was able to tell the difference between the primaries and the secondaries is that the secondaries are rounded at the end, as you can see here, and shorter. And the primaries are tapered at the end and longer. The secondaries also tend to have the tend to be more centered, whereas these tend to have be a little bit less symmetrical. That's what I meant. These are symmetrical, these are less symmetrical. So that is the starling. Hopefully that was good.